Hey guys, Kendall here. Thank you for stopping by. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I found really special, and I think that you'll find it something that will be very important to you as well. Before that, click the link below, and I'm going to be giving you some special bonuses as well. Now let's jump into the demo.
Introducing the revolutionary AI Logo Suite, the ultimate solution for anyone looking to create stunning animated logos instantly. This groundbreaking tool allows you to transform any static logo into a cinematic masterpiece with just a click. No design experience or hiring is needed. The AI handles everything for you, from animation to marketing. Imagine being able to generate high-quality logo animations in under 30 seconds and letting the app find clients for you automatically. With AI Logo Suite, you can build a fully automated motion branding business from scratch, allowing you to earn bet. You receive access to over 120 stunning templates and a built-in client-finding feature that automatically sends demos to prospective buyers, closing sales on your behalf. The entire process is streamlined within a single dashboard, making it incredibly user-friendly. Best of all, there are no monthly fees. Get everything for a low one-time payment and try it risk-free for 30 days. Don't miss your chance to tap into the rapidly growing market of animated logos. Join countless successful users who have transformed their fortunes with AI Logo Suite. Click below to get started today and watch your income potential soar as you work smarter, not harder. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
For watching this video. Don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.